Positive energy enhancing meditation. Do it every morning and evening, 2 times meditation. You can definite do it in the morning. Let's start. During this guided meditation, you will experience an increasing flow of positive energies will rise in your vibrational frequency. Take in deep breath. Exhale, inhale, expanding your lungs, full and well. Exhaling, release all that tension completely from your body. Again and take another large breath in and let it all out. Enjoy the music, relax. Without any effort, allow your breathing to feel back into its natural rhythms as you allow your body to become relaxed. Keep your awareness on your breathing and become aware of the sensations within as the airflow in and out. Feel your body as it is expand gently on your in breathe and as it is fall back towards you as you let it all out. Being totally here in this moment. With each breath, you take not trying to do anything, not trying to get any peace, but simply being with your breath, feeling the flow of your breathing and the sensation it creates within using your breath to help you turn into a state of relax awareness. Take a 5 moment to experience this present moment as you simply be. Love, joy and gratitude, these are all powerful emotions in which your energies will vibrate at higher frequency. It is within this frequency that you will begin building an endless resources of positive energies. The resources of these positive energies has always been within you. It is the conscious awareness for which this meditation practice will allow you to expand its presence within. Take another deep breath in and out low. Think back to a moment where you experienced an unconditional feelings of love. It may be love you received from a family members or a friends, or it is maybe I love faith towards someone else A love that is pure wool with no condition attached, deep unconditional love. Take a moment to experience the pleasant feeling and sensation these memories have created within. Take another deep breath in and out. Take another deep breath in and out. Take another deep breath in and out. Take deep another deep breath in and out. Joy, think of a times you felt it true joy within some else a completely selfish joy in which you find yourself begins completely happy for someone else, for maybe you find yourself being proud of someone as the outcomes of obstacle in their life. This is a truly selfless joy in which you experienced through the experience of someone else. Take some time to re-experience this feeling in this moment now. Enjoy the music, relax. Take another deep breath in and out. Gratitude will all have things in your lives in which we can be grateful for, whatever it is, the simple things such as the clean water we have to drink or the foods we have available to us. All you may choose to be thankful for some of the relationship in your of some of the positive experience you means able to share whatever you feel in this moment that you need to be grateful for to do now. Do so now. Music, relax. How does reflecting on these things make you feel inside? Take another deep breath in and out. You have just experienced there of the most powerful emotion which are the gravities of maintaining a consistent flow of positive energy, and as you current state vibrate in this higher frequency, I invite you to spread this positive energy throughout your entire body. Begin to concentrate now on your feet, feeling the positive energies following. Within them moves your attention now to your legs and feel as this energy flows your awareness, there being yours awareness up to your hips, your toes and into your upper body, and keep your attention there till you can feel the energies beings to flow throughout. Music. Feel the energies within your hands, feel the energy moving up your arm to into your shoulders, up your back to top of your head. Now take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, imagine all that energy flowing down your chest and into your belly. And when you every feel you need access to this energy, all you need to do is take come deep breath in all the ways down to your belly. Take another deep breathe in now and out. Yeah, and out you are now. Radiating within, This glowing positive energy fields, it is now surrounding your entire body. Take a 5 more moment while focusing on your breathing, feeling the readiness of this positive energy as it is surround your body. And once you are ready, you may open your eyes. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel.